Hi viewers, welcome to our channel. Gardening is a rewarding and fulfilling hobby that allows us to connect with nature and create beautiful outdoor spaces. To make the most of your gardening experience, it's crucial to have the right tools at your disposal. In this video, we shall explore 5 innovative garden tools that are revolutionizing the way we approaching gardening. These tools combine advanced technology, ergonomic design, and sustainable materials to make gardening easier, more efficient, and environmentally friendly. Number 1. Smart irrigation system. Watering plants is a fundamental aspect of gardening, but it can be challenging to find the perfect balance between underwatering and overwatering. Smart irrigation systems have emerged a game changer, helping gardeners optimize their watering routines. These systems use soil moisture sensor and a weather data to adjust watering schedule automatically. Some even connect to smartphone apps, allowing you to monitor and control watering remotely. With smart irrigation system, you can conserve water, prevent plant stress and save time, all while promoting healthy plant growth. Number 2. Ergonomic gardening tools. Gardening can sometimes take a toll on our bodies, leading to fatigue and discomfort. However, innovative ergonomic gardening tools are designed to alleviate these issues. These tools feature ergonomic handles, adjustable length, and lightweight materials, reducing strain on the wrists, arms, and back. From shovels and racks to pruners and shears, ergonomic gardening tools make it easier to maintain proper posture and work comfortably for extended periods. By prioritizing ergonomic, these tools enable gardeners to enjoy their time in the garden without compromising their physical well-being. Number 3. Vertical gardening system. For those with limited garden space, vertical gardening systems offer a practical and space-saving solution. These innovative systems allow you to grow plants vertically utilizing walls, fences, or specialized structures. Vertical gardening system can be equipped with built-in irrigation, providing plants with optimal water distribution. Additionally, they often incorporate modular designs, enabling you to customize the arrangement and choose a variety of plants. By maximizing vertical space, these systems enable gardeners to grow more plants in small areas, transforming even the tiniest balconies or patios into lush green spaces. Number 4. Soil testing kits. Healthy plants start with healthy soil, and soil testing kits have become invaluable tools for gardeners. These kits allow you to access essential soil parameters such as pH levels, nutrients content, and soil compositions. With the information obtained from these tests, you can make informed decisions regarding soil amendment and fertilizers, ensuring that your plants receive the necessary nutrients for optimal growth. By taking the guesswork out of soil analysis, these kits help gardeners create the ideal condition for their plants, resulting in healthier and more abundant harvest. Number 5. Robotic lawn mowers. Maintaining a well manicured lawn can be time consuming and physically demanding. Robotic lawn mowers have emerged as a voluntary solution, offering hand free lawn care. These autonomous devices can be programmed to navigate your lawn and move the grass with precisions. Equipped with sensors, they can avoid obstacles and return their charging station when needed. Robotic lawn mowers not only save time and effort but also provide a consistent and even cut, leaving your lawn looking pleasant throughout the year. Conclusion: innovative garden tools are transforming the way we approach gardening, making it more accessible, efficient, and enjoyable. Whether it's using smart irrigation system to conserve water, utilizing ergonomic tools for comfort, or adopting vertical gardening system for space optimization, these tools offer practical solution to common gardening challenges. By embracing these innovations, the gardeners can enhance their gardening experience while promoting. Thank you for watching.